There's been a lot of support, so it was really good to be able to speak to someone who then can help validate your ideas. The onboarding process was great, it was really easy. There's always someone to talk to, so whether I would call directly or someone of his team, I was glad I had a whole team to support me.
I joined up, went through his mentorship program and his training program. His online system has been really awesome, really easy to follow. If I had a problem, I either rung him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or he'd answer my call. And he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
I've come up to learn everything about create a new pathway for myself and to leave a bit of a future for my kids. It's been a very honest and practical event, and with some guest speakers to break it up that have provided some inspiration and different slant on the whole business. It comes without hard work. There's a formula to it. They're there to teach you that formula and strategy, and you need to stick to that.
Wanted to find something where I could replace my income, and the online business seems to be the way to go. A lot of people I can contact and get information from. I'm not alone, which is the big part when you're starting a business. I've learnt many things from the course. The mentorship, that's there. I think just to keep going, don't give up on what it is that you want.
Looking at some way to supplement our income where cost of living goes through the roof. Determined to get into something that will sort of enable us to do a bit of travel. We looked at the silver program with him and decided we would go with the gold program, offers support to getting the first product up. Doing a lot of the work that we don't yet know how to do. Getting a bit older and less computer literate, then I would say definitely go with gold and consider platinum. I would say definitely go with it one way or another.
Well, I heard about the opportunities, all the little tips and tricks that you wouldn't get if you did just an online course. That is brilliant, is amazing, and very responsive, and is open to answering any questions that anybody has. That is really valuable compared to other courses.
He has helped me and supported me in launching my first product, which is really, really exciting. This course is fantastic. You can refer to the course at any time. It's all broken down. You can do 2 or 3 modules at a time. You can do 1 module at a time. So you really fit it into your time and your family and your commitments. If you are on the fence, then don't be. Take that leap. You do the research, then there's no reason why you won't be successful.
They all seem genuine. They actually care about you and what you're trying to achieve. And that was what was most important to me. What I really appreciate about the training that's set out, how simple it is and how easy it is to follow. You can review the content, you can rewatch the videos, and if there's anything you don't understand, you've actually got real people or any of his team to actually help you understand.
The main reason why I chose the team is because it was a process of elimination. They make it so easy, going through all the details, going through step by step, lesson by lesson. I would absolutely recommend everybody to do it.
I joined for a career change, really. Think they were just the right company to be with. I think what I liked about the training, especially when I first started, was great to meet and greet with your coaches. 100% I'd recommend this training to anyone who has the patience and is willing enough to start an online business. The support around you is great. Just having people around you as well that are doing a very similar thing to you is great to have.
I signed up for this course because I knew I wanted to start an online business and I just didn't know where to start. I chose to sign up the team because the service seemed more personalised. What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well and they do it really swiftly. Over and above the modules and the structured training, this has been a point of difference to me in being able to move forward successfully with an online business. It's not an easy journey, but it's a worthwhile journey.
I have been part with a course for just around about a year. I could see that e-commerce is going to be a massive part of world business. There was support. There was a support network, there was a communication network, there are conferences, there are workshops that you can attend, you can ask questions, you can talk and network with other people who are in the course as well. Response rate is immediate, which is fantastic. To have that support network around you and to be able to talk with people, I find that really, really important. I strongly recommend his course.
The main thing I love about your training is the fact that you have a live portion to it, where every Monday, a whole group of people get together. That part about your training right there, it really brings live feedback about what other people have been able to do and what problems they've had to face, how they've achieved them. Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, find my own products to go and sell. And so you've given me the key to the door to freedom, pretty much. That's the way I see it.
Why do I like your course? Because it's set out very easy to understand, and the support that you get after behind the scenes, which I have had to use a few times, and I got the response. I like how I can go back to it whenever I want, and it's just made easy, made simple. Fantastic support.
And the reason I was searching to do an Amazon course is to be able to give up my day job and just, have more time with families. They were able to answer all my questions. And, that sort of gave me a little bit more confidence that, I will have somebody who will be there to assist, if I needed. The training part is very comprehensive, very, nicely laid out, step-by-step program, and templates in there as well that you can just pretty much, copy and paste. If there's something new that happens as the training's updated, I would definitely recommend, and the whole program actually, to anybody who's interested.
What I enjoy about the training is that they are really good at explaining things to you. We have webinars every Monday. They won't close the webinar until they know that everyone's questions have been answered. You don't understand something or you need some help, extra help. During the week, you can always make an appointment and have a one-on-one, one of the team members, and they are just really good. Would I recommend you to train with in the team? Easy. My answer is 150%. I have spoken to others who have joined Amazon and paid money and been training with different people, and out of the 6 people that are doing this, 4 have already dropped out. In the training here where we are, we're encouraged.
I'm here to create some independence for myself, create business, and also supplement some retirement. Sign on the dotted line reasonably quickly. What I've found pretty handy in the training and in the course itself is that it's been something I've been able to tackle at my own pace. There is obviously the availability of training calls and assistance, so I've found that very, very useful. I say, have a crack, give them a call and get onto it.
I chose this course over others because of the training and support provided. I like the live weekly trainings. I can replay them anytime I like, and also it suits my limited technical ability. I love the training because of the knowledge base and the team. They know everything about the business and they're professional in what they do. I would recommend this training to other people. They are very professional. They know what they're talking about. They cover every aspect of the business, and I would highly recommend this business to help you.
I want to start up a business on Amazon because I need some extra income for things like buying a house. My salary income will not be sufficient. So what I like the most is the quality of the content in the training videos, the amount of information and the practical information, the tips and so on. It's unbelievable. Even if it's a very short video, I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
I like the training team is they give you the step by step. Step 1. This needs to be done. This is how you do it. Step 2, how you find the products. But already I love the way showing us how to look for the product and e-grow and things like that. I would recommend new people, my friends, families, work colleagues, because the way is very genuine teaching and very upfront.
I signed up because I wanted to start a side hustle, start making a passive income online. I really like training because it's set out logically. It's easy to follow, it's simple, and it takes you through the process systematically. Very easy to talk to, really, really helpful on the journey. I would absolutely recommend.
So we started looking for small business opportunities, and my son actually encouraged me to look at Amazon initially. We agreed to join his program. We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it, and the support that his team has given us has been amazing.
I wanted to join the business to have lots of free time and get out of the business I'm in now, be able to earn some money on the side. What I love about the training is it's very personal, and we have weekly teaching lessons. We can ask all the questions we need to ask to help us along on the way. And also we can have meetings and phone calls with the teachers. I'd certainly recommend this course for anyone else this course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch. It's really helpful in the teaching.
I joined Amazon because I wanted to make money while I sleep. I love the training because we have a video which we can access to for a lifetime. And also the support is tremendous. They're always there whenever we needed them. I will recommend this to my family and friends. As long as you have internet, you can make money, and the team's training is simple, easy, and the support is tremendous.
The proof of what you can earn is limitless if you find the right products. Well, this business gives that opportunity to create a better lifestyle. The trainings themselves is, just there's so much to learn, full of knowledge, and he's willing to share. So, the trainings are great. Come to a training, get in touch with you, search you up, and even come to an event. Definitely look and meet you basically, and hear what you have to say, and see what there is to do, and definitely recommend you.
I chose you guys because I thought that you were very reputable, and I liked the way you conducted yourselves, the way you speak, and the way you answered me on the phone. I thought it was very great. I think the training and the videos are very well laid out, very comprehensive would be the words I would use, and very easy to follow.
And we're looking for something else that could take us into the future as we got older, and it looked like a great opportunity. I love the training because it's all set out modules. I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them, and if I really have any trouble, I know that on the Monday night I can actually talk to someone and or put a question in. I totally recommend this course to anyone. I've already recommended it to family and friends. I feel confident that I know already in such a short time what I'm doing, and I know if I do have trouble that they'll help me along the way.
What I love about the training is that it's full of so much information. It is well laid out. The modules are easy to follow. And if there's something in the content that you're not sure of, you can always go and hit the support button and someone gets back to you very quickly. I really love the Monday night training. I get up very early of the morning to go to work, but I always listen to the playbacks, and sometimes you just want to go back and recap, what somebody said, so, you don't miss out on any information. I feel that you nurture all of us, you want us all to succeed. The training take us, step by step. They've got nothing to lose, and you give a guarantee that you'll make us succeed.
Why I joined Amazon really as an alternative to working the normal sort of job that I do, and so I can start doing things on my terms, and also as enabling me to make a bit of extra money on the side as well. Also, any questions that I had, the staff seem to be very quick to reply or answer my questions. Access to online training sessions. The fact that there are regular YouTube clips as well was a good thing. And also the weekly Facebook Q&A. Yes, I would definitely recommend this course. A lot of support there, a lot of online support, online training courses and stuff like that. YouTube clips, as I mentioned, Facebook Q&A. So yes, I would highly recommend.
My action plan will be from today will be starting my business in Amazon as soon as possible in the next 2 to 3 months looking to start my first product. The e-commerce business is growing and it's coming to Australia, and it's better to start as early as possible so you can pick up and play with the game.
I want to have the choice just to do what I want, basically, just live life on my terms, which was great. It was put me in a really nice relaxed state. There's lots of things to learn, yeah, you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
So what I really enjoy about training is the way it's set out, how everything is clear and labelled, and you can find whatever you're after, whichever step you're up to. The seminars are great, highly motivational. You get to meet some great people. The support. If you've got questions, the Monday night live thing, you can jump on, get those questions answered. I wouldn't hesitate in recommending people.
Well, my purpose of it, I should say, would be to be home and to be a father figure on a daily basis for my little son. It is very easy to follow. I love how the modules are just laid out. They're very basic to follow down a dot point sort of paragraph, and the ability to go back. I would 100% recommend this training to anybody.